Hi there, customer experience community. This is Dominic. Welcome to another video. Today, we're going to do a customer experience review for Hotjar. Now, what is Hotjar? Well, Hotjar is a tool that is amazing, a tool that you can track user movement on your website with. It's pretty cool, very cool for the customer experience because you can essentially see what your customers are doing. You can track heat maps, you can track screen recording, you can collect feedback, and a bunch of other stuff that is really nice. Now, Hotjar is a tool that we use for our business, and where is the branding? I don't have it here, but it's for the 𝗙𝗲𝗏𝗏𝗏 brand that we use, which you will find a link in the description for. And so we like to do these reviews in order to push customer experience further, to see how we can nudge the customer experience further day by day, video by video, and every skill that we learn with the passing of time and always learning new things. That didn't sound right, but it doesn't matter. I hope you get it. It's just the idea of trying to be better every day. All right, so let's see. I'm going to share my screen now, and I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like, because the customer experience review, I've done quite a few of these. Well, not quite a few. Maybe this is the fifth, but I have divided it into a few segments. Let me share my screen, and here we go. So we are doing this review for Hotjar to the Doom. Okay. Let's actually split the screen because that's how this works actually. Otherwise, it's not going to look very cool. Yeah, something like this should work. Alrighty. Now let's begin. Again. Okay, so what kind of company is Hotjar? It's definitely a low touch. What does this mean? This means that is the whenever you reach out for support and the onboarding, you don't have somebody designated to. It means that you are interacting with somebody different every time. Now, the customer experience review, we've divided this into four parts. One is design, where we look at how the website looks. Is it recognizable? Is it cool? Does it look nice, etc.? Of course, this is going to be a very personal kind of review. Somebody actually commented and said, "Oh, what do you base your design on? Because you said blah blah, and then you gave it a 4." Yeah, man, that's what I feel like. It is my customer experience, and I'm allowed to rate it as I want. So there you go. Design, then usability. How annoying is the website? Is it responsive? Does it have accessibility? So can the visually impaired visit it? Does it have navigation, with a keyboard? And then the one that we are the most biased with, the number three, is customer service, where we judged how good the customer service is. And this is actually probably the most important one to look out for, because if your customers have a bad experience with you, they're going to go away. Even if your product is not like the most advanced technological one or the most, I don't know, rocket science one, it's fine. As long as you give users a good experience, they'll still keep hanging out with you and give you more money. And then product. How good is the product? Well, I love the product. I'm biased. Well, obviously, I use it, so I am a little bit biased. But anyway, let's move forward. So design. Let's continue. What does the design look like? Well, I like it. Like everything you wanted to know about your website. Okay, cool. This gives me an insight what it is. It has a video showing me what it is. Starting, who are their people who give them who are trust them. Wow, this is very impressive. And it looks very good. I like it. Look at this scrolling thing, this slide thing with their integrations. Wow, this is pretty cool. And the tool has been around since, man, is first time I used it was in 2017. So yes, wow, it's cool, man. Yeah, I'll give it a 5. I like it. Do I understand what the company is about? Yes, I do. Yeah, it's very good. Is the branding memorable? Hmm. Well, let's see. I mean, yeah, I guess, but you know, I'm going to give this a 3 because I can barely remember. Score 3. Okay, cool. Next one. The design has 4.33. That's very good. Next, usability. What is the website loading time? Is very good. I tested it on a bunch of browsers. It was very good. How easy it is to navigate? Well, let's give it a look. See products. Observe, ask, gauge, heat maps. Okay, recordings, feedback, surveys, engage. Okay, so this is what it's good for, right? The heat maps thing that you can see where users click, recordings to see the whole screen. Oh my God, this is such a cool tool. This is what I use on the website actually. And I see where people click, and it's so embarrassing because I noticed like the flaws of the website. Ugh. Then feedback, ask for feedback. Did this help you? Surveys, like take a quick survey. So there's like a lot of tools are, pushing towards the customer service because it's such a big, such a big market and it's so competitive. Oh my God. Engage. Yeah. Okay. I don't even know what that is. Key features, blah, use cases. Oh, I have, okay. Hotjar help you. Hotjar to help you design. Oh, okay. Yeah. Cool. I like, pricing and I can buy. Yeah, it's very easy to navigate. I like it. How is the website friction? Do I have to click many times or is it straightforward? Let's see. Who are the customers? Okay, this is kind of, looks very good, but it's kind of crowded, to be honest. So yeah, I guess it's easy. I see products, I see use cases, prices, so I can get, yeah, okay. Switch to dark mode. Oh wow, okay. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, 4. I'll give it a 4 for straightforwardness. Is it easy for me to buy? Yes, it is. Very easy, actually. Does it have accessibility? Well, let's check it. So, accessibility means that I am able to, with my keyboard, I'm able to. Oh no. Oh yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, that didn't go very well. So, okay, let's start maybe the homepage. Uh, okay, so yeah, I can. Uh, resources. Da-da-da. Let's go to this one. Uh, let's switch to the. Yeah. Okay. Yes, this is accessible. I like it. Very good. Does it have responsive design? Well, I mean, you better look. Yeah, it looks very good. Hamburger menu. I love these hamburger menus. Yeah. Yes, it looks very good. I like it. Yes, of course it is. Responsive. Is it multi-language? Well, let's scroll to the bottom. Let's see. Okay. Really? No multi-language? I mean, sure, English is good, but I've used it last time I've used, or not last time, but first time I used it was in 2017, so 2017. No? What? Really? Oh man, that's not good. I'll give you a 2. I mean, in English it's good, but no, I'll give you a 3. I don't know how much should I give this one. Like, okay, English only. What the heck? Uh, I don't know. Maybe if you just had it in Hindi, I would give you a 1. And if you had it in, I don't know, at least 5 languages, I'd give you a 5. If you had like 2 languages, I'll give you a 3 or a 4. So, or fine, I'll give you a 2, but I'm not happy. Fine. 443, that's still good. Oh, customer service. Let's move. What does the customer service look like? Is it easy to get in touch? Well, let's see. Okay. This is like okay, I don't see anything. I don't have a bot. So where is it? No bot? Really? Sign in, get started for free, which is okay. But like, okay, cool. Like, can I reach out to you guys with anything about us, careers, privacy, resources, guides, blog, product, help center? Okay. Wow. Only help center? I mean, yeah, this is a definitely Zendesk. I don't know why, but I'm drawn to products and I use them only the ones that have Zendesk. Has to do with I don't know, like whoever is similar energy attracts similar energy, I guess. You know what? I don't like this. Like, no phone number, no nothing. So let's see. Is there a quick way to get in touch? No phone, no email. No, I don't see no social. I don't see. Okay, so I do see the form here or uh the health center, I guess. No chat. Ooh, okay. That's not great. So yeah, I guess you only have this. Okay. Is there a knowledge base in place? Yes, and it looks very good. FAQ quality, mm, plans, billing. Okay, nice navigation, billing. Oh wow, looks like really good. Send us a message, watch and learn. Okay, so yeah, FAQ quality, very good. Do I get a community? I don't. FAQs found on Google? Yes, you can find them. First response time? Uh, okay. I can choose what I want. Installing. Contact us. Trying to deflect me. Okay, good. Okay, this is okay. I got the answer. Resolution time, it's good. Do they let me know the working hours? No, they don't. Okay. Do they set the right expectations for me when the issue is resolved? Well, not so much. Is the support multi-language? No, it isn't. Unfortunately. Do I receive an email with my case number? Yes, I do. Are there bots enabled? No. Are they asking for feedback? They are asking for this and are asking for this. All good. Let's see. How much is this? Oh, 3. Ooh. All right. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I did not enjoy that very much. But, it can be improved, but, every business is different. Now, let's see. Product. Is the product easy to buy? Yes, it is. I like that a lot. Do I get value before buying? Yes, because I have a free account and I can also have up to 35 screen recordings per day, which is whoa, amazing. How good is the product? Does it deliver? Yes, very good. I love this product. Does it make me buy again? Yes, it does because it's also free. Finish. Product 5. Whoa, this is really good. This is really, really good. Let me just make a screenshot of this because it's really good. And now I have to do it by hand. God damn. 4 comma 33 plus 4 comma 43 plus 3 plus 5 equals 1676. 16 comma 76 divided by 4. 4.2. Okay, good, 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 good. That's pretty good, man. I like this tool a lot. So yeah. I hope this was useful for you. I actually enjoy doing these. The way that I see them is like eating popcorn and watching these. Well, we need more customer experience, good customer experiences. I'm trying to bring you that. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and suggest what I should do review next. Should I review your website? Just shoot it in the comments and I happily will. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.